did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be making skillet cornbread.
Yep. Let's go.
Well, first in a bowl I'm going to add some self-rising cornmeal, unbleached flour, flaxseed meal, sea salt, baking powder, oil, sugar, applesauce, and coconut milk, or whichever milk alternative you use. Stir it till it's smooth.
I'm whipping in the kitchen.
Now I'm just gonna heat this cast iron skillet until it's hot. Add some oil, and then I'll pour the batter over the oil. Now put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or until it's brown. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
To